Ndeba ekenekwa m unu konye chenye azelu n'ụbọchị nke tata biko enwere something na-aga on that I still don't understand. Don't nwekwa ihe na-ajụ biko uche onye adịna ya njọ. Nwekwa ihe nchọrọ ịjụ ọ bụ evangelist Ebuka Obi na Zion Ministry na-enwe issue with J Park. Edekwa m na case anụ na problem anụ anyị na-enwe na internet anụ na this okwu a for the past 1 week now. For the past 1 week now and some days, n'okwu anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya na internet a bụ gịnị? Ogechi Okeke Njaka versus J Park. Edom nọ ihe anyị na-eme, odom nọ ihe a na-ekwu okwu ya. But why is it that onye chọọ ikwu okwu achọba in a way anyị esi wee mee gịnị attach ya Zion Ministry n'okwu anụnwa? Uche onye adị na ya njọ kpaka gbalụ m nya gbalụ nwunye dị m kilo na asịrị wee mee gịnị na. Why are you people pushing this agenda, including ndị na-eme video? Ma ndị na-asị na ha chọrọ izichere evangelist Ebuka Obi okwu, ma ndị na-asị na ha na-ekwu okwu, ma ndị na-asị na ha na-ekpe udo, ma ndị na-asị na J Park listening to them, ma ndị na-asị nke anụnwa. Ma ndị na-asị na people around Zion doesn't have the mind of Christ, they bully people, they mean so onye ọbụla nara eje Zion nwezi the mind of Christ, ndị na ha eje Zion enwere the mind of Christ. How are you in your own senses now expecting evangelist Ebuka Obi ka ọ bịa tinye ọnụ n'okwu gbasara J Park n'oge echi? Because I want to understand something. Let's take for example, na ọ bụrụ na Ogechi has never shown that she loves Zion Ministry. Kedu ebe ọzọ unu yi shift okwu atụ? Because I need them with denomination. Zion Ministry is never a church. It's a denomination where it's a prayer ground where everybody, every soul come. I never am church in Kem. I'm a Dunamite, only Dunamis Campo, but I love Evangelist Ebuka Obi and I love Zion Ministry. So now I need most people on the internet with their own respective churches. Hanaga, but they choose to associate with Zion because of one or two things. Their reason best known to them. But why are our people channeling this attention, channeling to only Obunna because we feel like you can talk to Evangelist Ebuka Obi after singing Nelanya to other churches, no more on there, no other churches, no more on your name and no more on your own video post already. So now somebody somewhere saying no, Dr. Oyedepo, Bishop Oyedepo. $20,000 because no go there many years ago and that book blessed him. He saw a need to go and sow. Onya abuloni Igbo ko beba sow na Zion Ministry ka ife ndị mmadụ yokwu. But then somebody agbe camera chetale gị na ben na gị na ilo guy who ben na gị enwere pole wire, enwere transformer, enwere nka ọzọ because na inyele ga to place ha hiti. Let us learn to tell ourselves the truth. Ibolo onye chọrọ ikwu eziokwu chọkwa okwu anụnwa bie. And they associate Zion from this issue. They associate Evangelist Ebuka Obi to this issue. Una ask Evangelist bebe kwu na onweli ihe I keep asking, I'm still looking for a way to connect the dot. Kedu ko Evangelist Ebuka Obi so ebata n'okwu a? Why are you people mentioning it? Why is it always all about na Evangelist Ebuka Obi caution onya, Evangelist Ebuka caution onya no? When the other person was busy attacking the church, attacking the Zion Ministry that was once good to him, attacking it, Bobandi church, makani onye ikpon the church, ikpon the oka, ndị dunamis ya attack again. Ndị Deeper Life ya attack gị, ndị Catholic ya attack gị, ndị Anglican ya attack gị, ndị olumba ya attack gị, ndị Cherubim and Seraphim ya attack gị. As long as na ndị ahụ bụ ụka, you are talking to everybody. You are talking to everybody. Iya amabu camera, bebe caution nwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi nya kwuo okwu, caution nwa Zion, caution nwa Ebuka, caution nwa Okay. You cannot under the same camera caution one or your friend, caution one you come say I talk to him in privately, I talk to him in a way. I talk to him privately. Man onye ozobuzi onda ya agwazi okwu anyhow. Onye ozobuzi nda ya tupulu okwu. You are trying to collide two heads together. Isi na batara onye na ida achoke ala call your own like this ko bo okpolokpo. a na-achọ ka eme gịnị ka a lakọọ ya ọnụ ka ọ gbọkpụkpụ ihe akwa unu lakagide mbaka lakagide mbaka wee je tinye ọnụ n'okwu ọnụ kwesịrị tinye ọnụ na ya. There are some certain things that doesn't concern you. Your job is to make sure that the lost sheep, Jesus dosad the race, did not go astray. That is what you people should be doing. Oborobia gaslight you. After money also make video today. Na say na onye ya na Ogechi onye na agbaje park wo abro onye no America no onye no Nigeria no. Osi Aba Ogbago Lagos, osi Lagos, Ogbago Port Harcourt, osi nke anọ. No ya nwa na gaslight okwu. But you are see, there are some certain things I need ekwu as a human being. No, actually judge okwu na actually ekwu okwu ka na ichoku dodi. Be on a center. Blame one. Mana gwa how way people will come to a resolve. Never ya resolve nyabo okwu amicably. Because there is no smoke without fire. There is no smoke without fire. A man say ni no Ogechi ni na-ekwu ye ni no ho na-ekwu basi. You cannot tell me that everything no be the quote from the one is all lies. Never. There is no smoke without fire. Emoro, because all good morning Ebute, how are you? Oh, good morning. Why are you people always centering it now? Never. Now one day, na Ebuka na Ogechi Yakpalia. One day, Ogechi Yakpalende Zion. Why are people praying that kind of prayer for Madenabu issue that should have been resolved amicably if truly no Eziokwu? This Oku should have been resolved amicably, which I said it. I said it blame one for this matter escalating more than like this now. This is what should be done. Somebody must bow for another to say, hey, I take the blame. Manakudochia. Which no buzobidia should be the one to also make it to Guinea. By the time he accepts the blame, okay, anugum, let anugum, ekwetem nanka, but kudochia. That is when the person yapped as this weekend everybody go like that. Don't worry. I'm so sorry. I'm also sorry for doing this. If you are mother now without here, man, you came out and you trying to make sure na you collide the list Zion ministry. No kuanua. What if na obulu na Ogechi another Zion? Will you people look for another avenue to attach the yoku? Could you people happen the bone of contention on ground? Happy and then chase another thing. Why are you people trying to see that now? What is right? Ogechi Okeke Njaka, no problem with J Park that needs to be resolved. And that's because no Ogechi na Zion. That no name be find Zion. No name be find Zion. Why? Ogechi na no J Park na no obonde Zion na Ogechi na ano ya. Okay, Ogechi na maybe afande Zion. J Park no gbara akwụkwọ na Catholic Church. Enwego onye Catholic Church pụtasị no na maybe afande Catholic Church. No, let's tell ourselves the truth. Why are we always behaving like this? Why are we behaving like this? Or because nature kudochia, or because you want to send your message. I'm not against anybody saying their message. Man, let us leave what is. Again. Collide there is see every problem na the raw. Zion ministry don't have problem with J Park. Zion ministry don't having problem with Ogechi. Why are people trying to force Zion ministry? Can Ebuka because have no problem with Ogechi? As see Ebuka binya kuoku, see Ebuka binya kuoku. Unu si go na di Ogechi, see dia nka no. See na makwe na Ebuka bi from Ebuka bi na makwe na Zion ministry. What is all this? What is gaining all this? Let us learn to see the truth and not to find a way we get to kwasisi or they can actually early in our head in order to gain and seek public sympathy. If Ogechi is not attending or have not shown, because I have not seen Ogechi in Zion ministry, if Ogechi has not shown her love for Zion ministry or no we come on aga redeem, will you people tell okay redeem Adeboye Adeboye koku oku maka ihe anụwa Will you people tell EA Adeboye or will you people center the whole? Because I'm seeing it now, not because I'm the badge on Facebook or this that knows also Zion members need defend her. I feel like most of us are limited on this Facebook. Go to Twitter. If you get bend the OP or the Dr. Punde Otu Johnson Suleiman on Twitter, go there and check. Because we all know some of our people, they limited na Facebook. Or when they say, I believe Facebook. Go to Instagram. Sometimes explore. Go to other check in the comments. If you can other denominations, say I know they are member. You think it's only Zion when people need defend? They are no. Even common Matthias, even Matthias, by Matthias. Metotu you kuna if can be behind you say attack again. When we say evangelist Ebuka, him and millions upon millions love him. Don't be surprised. Then I will not be surprised when evangelist I'm not better than one because now sometimes now someone could use quite from program morning till evening or J hotel bless people from hotel or Batakwa midnight in Kenke midnight from the Olahuni no kute tomorrow morning ibido kwana 3 a.m. when I cancel in the department in car. Next day 4 a.m. when I cancel in the department in car. A bit of kwasa yon nototo. Obekwa batigi de kwam pochi richi. Can't you believe this young man alone for crying out loud goes really unique? Goes really unique. Because judgment will start upon the judgment will start from the church. You may think that you are not living knowing that you are passing judgment. Now you create a problem, maybe problem na dero. Icholo unu choku unu be udo, be enu udo pelo ya nisi. Kodi no mbozo.